Voices critical of China's economy linger, and since China floated the new development pattern of dual circulation, such skepticism has intensified. Some think tanks are concerned the socialist country is turning inward, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. But is it the case?
If actually COVID-19 has been anything to understand from the China system, it's encouraged foreign direct investment. We've seen that at both a national and a local level in regards to policies to support British businesses here in market, whether that be through manufacturing or through local branches. So I don't feel that China will be pulling back from the global market. I think they will be encouraging businesses to invest further into the China market, both in some of the provinces, but also nationally as well.
China is transitioning to a consumer-led economy, but this does not mean it is shutting the door on foreign investment.
There has been no obvious trends in the change in the role of foreign investment or trade in the Chinese economy, except insofar as the Chinese economy is growing faster than the global economy. So almost by very definition, China is becoming more Chinese. As the average Chinese manufacturer now spends more time focused on the Chinese market than they do on the global marketplace, simply because the Chinese market is growing faster. That's the change.
Apart from dual circulation, China also announced a shift toward innovation in its 14th five-year plan. Some warned that the country's attempt to move manufacturing up the value chain will be at the cost of jobs in the West. But Western countries have been through the same developmental stage.
Canada and the United States have gone through their own periods of innovation, right? So we understand that things like advanced manufacturing are going to cost some jobs at some point or another, but the important thing to concentrate on in these situations is re-education and upcycling, right? Where you're able to take the population that was, is suddenly out of a job and ensure that they have opportunities for growth and advancement in other areas of the economy.
It's a threat to our businesses and our economy.
It's a threat to our economic security. And by
Voices hyping the Chinese economy as a threat are often heard in Western politics. But interestingly, the market is paying little attention to the hostile rhetoric.
As we all know, this has been an extremely challenging year, both domestically here in China, but also globally abroad as well. So British businesses here in market are definitely facing a difficult period. However, there is very strong optimism about the market, about investments here in China. More than 2/3 of our businesses have said they're still dedicated to the market, and actually 50% of those companies are going to be investing more this year in 2021 than previous years. Again, showing sort of the market potential of China and the potential growth.
This is not empty talk. In August, foreign direct investment in China jumped 18.7% from a year earlier. Skeptical voices will never die, but the reality indicates a resilient and open Chinese economy.